Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 20 of the new Mudroom project. Today was an installation day, and we got our R21 up there and the 2x6 joist here in the mudroom, and also on the other side over here, and that's in the shed. So I've just got out of my little Tyvek suit, but here's a quick little picture. You know, whenever you're dealing with fiberglass insulation, you're going to make sure you cover up from head to toe, because that stuff is itchy. You don't want to breathe it in. The other thing that we had to do was we had to get our raft vents in there. We did that yesterday, but in order for that to make a complete circuit, we had to put our rafter vent up there. So we can't see it because it's all sealed up, but we'll just take a walk out here and you can take a look at it from the outside. It's just a little 12 by 12 rafter vent, and throw a couple pictures up there what it looked like going in and from the inside, and that's just gonna basically pull the air in from the soffits, draw it through the rafter vents up into the attic and then out the side. And that's really important to kind of keep moisture down, and that's going to be able to let the whole building breathe, but it's going to be behind the insulation. That way it's not going to affect temperature in here, or more importantly, it's not going to affect moisture. So that's it for day number 20. Tomorrow we're going to continue with insulation, and we're going to get it on the roof here and up on the pitch that's right there. Those are odd size joists, so that's going to take a little bit of stitching together, so that's going to be a pretty full project tomorrow, and we'll see how far we get. If you have any questions about insulating, leave me a comment. If you have any questions about the really important venting that needs to happen in these roof lines, you can give me a comment on that also. Thanks for checking it out. See you tomorrow.